Today, I'll speak in Croatian about my plans for the weekend. You'll hear how Croatians talk about the future, softly and naturally, using words like ću and možda. Just listen, read the subtitles, and notice how language looks ahead, without stress. Danas je petak i razmišljam o vikendu. Ovaj tjedan je bio dug, pa ću se pokušati odmoriti. U subotu ću vjerojatno spavati malo duže nego inače. Poslije ću skuhati kavu i doručkovati polako, bez žurbe. Možda ću kasnije otići u šetnju do parka. Ako bude sunčano, sjest ću na klupu i čitati knjigu. Ako padne kiša, ostat ću doma i gledati film. U nedjelju ću posjetiti roditelje. Donijet ću im kolače i čaj. Možda ćemo zajedno ručati i pričati o tome kakav nam je bio tjedan. Nakon toga ću se prošetati kroz svoj stari kvart. Vjerojatno ću sresti nekog poznatog. Ljudi će me pitati kako si, jesi li dobro? I ja ću reći jesam, dobro sam, samo mi treba malo odmora. Kad se vratim kući, pripremit ću bilješke za ponedjeljak. A onda ću, ma ništa, samo ću sjediti, slušati tišinu i misliti kako je život miran kad imaš plan. Ali i kad ga nemaš. So you've just listened to how Croatians talk about the future, not with pressure, but with calm intention. Every ću plus infinitive that you heard, ću spavati, ću čitati, ću posjetiti, paints a small picture of what might happen. So here's how to use this video for your 4 pillars. The pronunciation, repeat each ću phrase out loud. Let your mouth feel how short and soft ću really is. For vocabulary, note verbs that express everyday life, such as spavati, otići, donijeti, čitati, sresti. For grammar, notice how možda plus ću expresses possibility and not certainty. And for culture, feel how Croatians plan. Gently, realistically, always leaving space for weather, time, and life. And that's the essence of my 4-pillar method. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and culture all woven into real speech. And if you'd like to understand and speak Croatian this way, join my free masterclass. The link is below this video. You learn how listening like this turns into confident speaking. Vidimo se tamo!